Guangzhou Disen Electronic Equipment Company Limited. We are located in Guangzhou, which is with convenient transportation and developed economy. We have a professional technical and service team to ensure fast after-sales response. The high quality and sincere service are making the products very hot sell in domestic and foreign market. Customers are not only our business partner, mostly they are more like our family. We have established a highly trusting and deep friendship with customers in many countries. Good quality of products is our principle. Wholehearted service is our adhering to the idea. We have a strong sales teams with 15 years experience in this field. We can answer customer questions professionally and quickly and provide customers with the most suitable product recommendations. Our products are sold to more than 200 countries and regions in the world, such as Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East, South America, North America, Europe, etc. We are a large foreign trade enterprise integrating R&D and sales, mainly engaged in the sales of digital printing machine, UV flatbed printer, DTF printing solution, embroidery machine, rhinestone machine, sewing machine, screen printing machine, pad printing machine, hot stamping machine, heat transfer machine, eco-solvent printer, cutting plotter, label cutter, laser engraving machine, advertising material, paper cutter, glue binding machine, laminating machine, office equipment, etc. If you want to know more about us, please contact with us at any time. We look forward to establishing a good and long-term business relationship with you.